Have you ever pondered about how AI can transform affiliate marketing for YouTubers? Let's journey back through time to perceive the evolution of affiliate marketing, eventually arriving at the doorstep of AI's role in this landscape. From its modest inception in the last part of the 20th century, affiliate marketing has blossomed into a gigantic industry, and the internet and digital technology have been instrumental in this expansion. But the only constant thing in life is change. Now, in the third decade of the 21st century, we stand on the precipice of another major shift in affiliate marketing, driven by artificial intelligence, or simply AI. But what role does AI play in affiliate marketing for YouTubers, you might ask? To understand this, let's first unravel what AI is, a domain of computer science aiming to develop machines that can understand, learn, and think like humans. AI is about fabricating intelligent machines capable of comprehending human language, identifying patterns, solving problems, and making decisions. Now, how does this connect back to YouTubers and their affiliate marketing strategies? Imagine being able to predict your viewers' preferences before they even do, or being able to offer customized product recommendations to each viewer, thereby boosting the chances of a purchase. Imagine analyzing massive datasets in real time to make strategic decisions. All of this and more is feasible with AI. By harnessing AI, YouTubers engaged in affiliate marketing can enhance their efficiency and effectiveness. They can make more informed decisions, target their audience better, and ultimately increase their revenues. From automated content creation to predictive analytics, from chatbots to programmatic advertising, the scope is limitless. And there's more. As AI advances, it promises to usher in more transformations, such as voice search, visual search, and even AI-driven affiliate networks. So the question is not if, but how and when you as a YouTuber will incorporate AI into your affiliate marketing strategy. As we progress, AI is poised to revolutionize how YouTubers carry out affiliate marketing. So, how exactly is AI revolutionizing the world of YouTubers? To understand this, let's delve into three key areas: targeted audience engagement, enhancement of conversion rates, and task automation. Firstly, AI plays a crucial role in helping YouTubers target the right audience. The success of any YouTube channel is heavily reliant on appealing to the right viewers. AI algorithms analyze a plethora of data, identify patterns, and predict viewer preferences and behaviors. This analysis enables YouTubers to understand who their potential viewers are, what content they enjoy, and when they are most likely to watch videos. Now on to the second point. AI significantly bolsters conversion rates. It's not enough to just attract viewers. YouTubers also need to transform them into loyal subscribers. Here's where AI steps in by personalizing the viewer experience. For instance, AI can analyze a viewer's watch history, comprehend their preferences, and then suggest similar content that they would most likely be interested in. This personalized approach boosts the chances of viewers turning into subscribers, thereby improving conversion rates. AI takes the reins in automating tasks, making the entire process of running a YouTube channel more efficient. From sending out personalized notifications to tracking viewer behavior and managing video uploads, AI can effortlessly handle it all. This automation not only conserves time and resources, but also diminishes the possibility of errors. Now, let's touch on the advantages of employing AI for YouTubers. With AI, YouTubers can make data-driven decisions, which significantly increase the likelihood of a successful channel. AI also facilitates real-time optimization. This means that channels can be tweaked and improved while they are still active based on real-time data. And of course, scalability shouldn't be forgotten. With AI, YouTubers can manage multiple tasks across different platforms simultaneously, something that would be nearly impossible to do manually. Evidently, AI is not just a trendy term. It's a tool that's transforming the YouTube landscape. Let's take a look at a real-life example of a YouTuber who has significantly enhanced affiliate marketing results using AI. Picture this: a YouTuber. We'll call him Tech Pioneer. Tech Pioneer is a content creator on YouTube, providing a variety of tech-related videos. He decided to add affiliate marketing to his monetization strategies, but soon found it challenging to track and analyze the volume of the numerous products he was promoting. Enter AI. Tech Pioneer decided to utilize an AI-driven solution to streamline his affiliate marketing process. He deployed a machine learning algorithm, which was programmed to analyze data from his affiliate promotions and predict future trends. This AI solution could track clicks, conversions, and sales, and also predict revenue across multiple products. Moreover, it was able to identify patterns and trends, facilitating Tech Pioneer's data-driven decisions. However, implementing AI was not without challenges. One of the main hurdles was the sheer volume of data. The AI system had to handle millions of data points from various sources, including clicks, sales, and viewer demographic information. Another challenge was ensuring the accuracy of the data interpretation and its predictions. Regardless of these challenges, Tech Pioneer was committed leveraging AI in his affiliate marketing. He invested in a refined AI system and trained it with historical data to ensure its accuracy. When the AI system was fully implemented, the results were remarkable. The AI system could predict with high accuracy which products would perform best, allowing Tech Pioneer to focus more on promoting those products. This led to a significant increase in his revenue, with some products contributing to an increased earnings of up to 40%. Moreover, the AI system was able to identify patterns that were not apparent to the human eye. For instance, it found that videos containing affiliate links posted at specific times of the day had higher conversion rates. This insight allowed Tech Pioneer to schedule his videos better, leading to an even greater increase in earnings. The AI system also helped Tech Pioneer identify underperforming products. By analyzing the data, the system could pinpoint products that were not meeting their sales targets. This allowed Tech Pioneer to replace or renegotiate these products, helping him optimize his earnings. Additionally, the AI system streamlined Tech Pioneer's decision-making process. Instead of manually analyzing his YouTube analytics and reports, he could simply refer to the AI system's predictions and pens. This not only saved time, but also eliminated the risk of human error in data analysis. In conclusion, the application of AI in Tech Pioneer's affiliate marketing strategy led to a significant increase in earnings, improved efficiency, and provided valuable insights. As seen in this case, AI can dramatically increase the efficiency and effectiveness of affiliate marketing campaigns, even for individual content creators like YouTubers. Let's quickly run through the main highlights we've covered today, specifically tailored for YouTubers. We've explored the upcoming trends in affiliate marketing, with a particular focus on the significant part artificial intelligence is gearing up to play in this field. AI is far more than just the latest tech jargon. It's a game changer, a potent tool that can drastically alter the way YouTubers approach their affiliate marketing efforts. We delved into how AI can automate and fine-tune various facets of affiliate marketing, from pinpointing lucrative niches and products to tailoring offers for individual subscribers. This automation not only slashes manual work and saves precious time, but it also ramps up efficiency and precision, leading to increased click-through rates and ultimately bigger earnings. AI's capacity to sift through colossal amounts of data almost instantly is another crucial advantage. This permits YouTubers to uncover deep insights into viewer behavior, anticipate trends, and make content decisions based on hard data. AI can even forecast the lifetime value of a subscriber, aiding YouTubers in allocating resources more effectively. We also examined a case study demonstrating AI at work. This real-life example revealed how one channel used AI to elevate its affiliate marketing strategy, which led to improved viewer engagement, heightened views, and boosted revenue. This case study stands as a proof of the power and potential of AI in the world of YouTube affiliate marketing. However, let's not forget that like any tool, AI's effectiveness relies on its application. It's not a miraculous solution for all challenges. YouTubers still need to bring their originality, gut feelings, and personal touch into play. AI is there to enhance human abilities, not substitute them. Summing up, AI is poised to be a key player in the future of affiliate marketing for YouTubers. It presents several advantages, from automation and fine-tuning to in-depth data analysis and predictive abilities. And as our case study demonstrated, the results can be truly remarkable. To stay competitive in the YouTube affiliate marketing landscape, embracing AI is not just a smart move, it's a requisite. As we conclude, let's underscore that the future of affiliate marketing for YouTubers is intrinsically linked to AI. It's not merely a trend, it's a game for the way you do business. It's high time you leverage the prowess of artificial intelligence and weave it into your YouTube marketing strategy. The digital canvas is in a constant state of flux, and to stay on the cutting edge, keeping up with the freshest trends and technologies is paramount. It's about being proactive, not reactive. Let AI be your compass in steering through this dynamic universe of affiliate marketing on YouTube. Don't shy away from exploration. Harness the might of AI to pop the lid on untapped avenues and strike gold in your YouTube affiliate marketing venture. It's a tool that can revolutionize your approach, rendering it more streamlined, potent, and successful. So, dare to step into the future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on YouTube affiliate marketing. Remember, the future is already here, and it pulsates with the energy of AI.